वाडटी चार कातरपाक जेन्ना म्हारग पडपाक लागलें तेन्ना वार्काच्या जेसन आल्मेदान स्वता चार कातरपाचें टूल तयार केलें. मोटर आनी पेट्रोल नाशिल्ल्या ह्या टुलाक ताणें रेज नांव दिलां.
Hi, my name is Jason Almeida. I'm from Varca. A few years ago, I decided to start my own venture. So I decided to invent a own product because it was getting expensive to cut grass in the property. So I decided why not make a manual tool which is efficient, safe, and ergonomic. So I invented the Raze. First of all, this is designed balanced. So wrist there's no pain on your wrist. Also, there's no you don't have to lift it like that. So again, there's no pressure on your back. So it's a very well balanced tool designed to be used in a very comfortable manner. You have to just rock your body and use it. A lot of customers who have used it for 3+ years. 8 महिने पहिले म्हाका patent मेळ्ळें as a manual grass cutting device म्हणून. I'm selling only in Goa. I've sold 1 or 2 in Bombay and Pune. And then if the Goans like it, then I'll decide to go to the other states. But there are four people who make my tool. One makes the handle, wooden handle, which is custom designed for comfort. Then one guy makes my tool. Another guy makes my blade, and the fourth guy does the powder coating. So far, I've sold around 200 units, and I've been in the market for 4 years.
Have you approached the agriculture department?
No, I have not approached, but I would like to approach them and see if they can give an offer for people who have Krishi card or whatever.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.